How to sign out from TurboTax account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign out from your TurboTax account. In order to sign out from your TurboTax account, if you have been logged into any browser or your device, then first of all open that browser on your device and in the search bar type in the official URL of TurboTax, which is turbotax.intuit.com, or you may also simply type in turbotax.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on enter button to search for it. And within a while, you will be taken to the official website of TurboTax. Here in this page, if you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface, and at the left side, at the bottom, you will be able to see sign out option. Simply click on this sign out, and after a few seconds, you will see you have been signed out from your TurboTax account. Now if you want to sign in back to your account, you will need to use either your phone number, email or user ID and then enter your password to log into your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to sign out of your TurboTax account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.